to the Code for America Summit 2014. As you can see, everything this year is bigger and better, including my rider, which stipulates that I get Oscar-style music. In fact, thinking of the Oscars, I kind of can only reflect that we have grown to become almost equal to them in so many ways. When I look back, it's been a big year for government. It's been a huge year for government and tech. You know, this is maybe for the first time in the history of humanity, the presidency's numbers, polling, success has actually depended on the success of a website. So the first time I think that's ever happened. We've seen other amazing things happen. The success of GDS starting to be replicated in other countries and other places, so 18F and USDS come to mind. But they're not the only ones. Just yesterday, the government of Puerto Rico announced OGIT, the Operation of Government Information and Technology, which will be very similar, yes. And then I think what gets me super excited is just the amazing work people are doing everywhere and some of the results that we're starting to see. A lot of people don't know this, but Jen was telling me, New Orleans this year achieved its goal of eliminating 10,000 blighted properties. It's a big number. I also want to thank a number of people who made this possible. I really want to thank our capstone partners. So Microsoft, who's been instrumental in making this all happen. They've been a wonderful supporter of ours, and we can't really thank them enough. I'd also like to thank Excella, who are also a capstone partner. They've been unbelievably helpful in kind of bringing this together. We're going to hear more from both of them later on in the conference.
View of what's coming for the next couple of days, and also what I think is ahead for not just Code for America, but what I consider to be the larger community, and dare I say, the movement. Why are we here together? We're here because all of us, no matter what we do, I think believe this statement. Government can work for the people, by the people in the 21st century. And unfortunately, there are too many people who are not even good after the first 3 words of that. I would say this is a gathering of multiple tribes. We are coming from different spaces, but we're coming together for this week. And that's important because we can do so much more because we're coming from these separate spaces. And it's important that we do more because there is so much more to do.
Folks take off work, they arrange for childcare, they head down to the municipal court to wait in a line. Imagine what it's like standing in that line with bad weather, or when it's windy out, or you've cut it just close to make it to your 8 a.m. docket time. So, in Atlanta, you see folks show up for court and stand in line. They go inside to pass through a security screening where they stand in more lines. You go wait in line for the elevator to get to court to resolve your citation after you've taken off of work and made childcare arrangements or snuck away from some other obligation. Every year, about 200,000 cases go through this process in the city of Atlanta. And it just doesn't seem like the most efficient way to resolve this.
One of the things that I believe is that a small amount of technology, correctly placed, can have a really big impact. So we built a few simple things to help the situation. And I think the easiest way to explain them is just show you. When the cop hands you your citation, he hands you a second piece of paper as well. It's got a phone number on it, and you can text that phone number with your case information. And here's what happens. You send it your citation, it looks up your case and sees if you have to go to court at all. If you don't, it gives you a phone number that you can call, put in your credit card, and have your case resolved right there in your car in 5 minutes instead of 5 hours.
Good afternoon, my name is Devon Drummer. I'm the tech organizer at Teamwork Inglewood on Chicago's South Side. Now you know Chicago is a city known by many names. Sandberg called it the city of big shoulders. And because of an emerging and thriving civic tech scene, is becoming to be known as the city of big data. But no matter how you see Chicago, you must recognize that at its essence, Chicago is a city of neighborhoods. And it's in one of these neighborhoods that the large lot story begins. Today we have more vacant storefronts than thriving businesses. And our population is only a third of what it was just 6 decades ago. But Inglewood has not given up on itself. Resident groups and organizations have come together to pull the neighborhood back from the brink.
I did work together at the Office of Science and Technology Policy with Todd Park last year, so I know a little bit more about what he's doing. But just to give a little bit more flavor to Microsoft efforts here, can you tell me a little bit about the Civic Tech Group at Microsoft?
Absolutely, Jen. So like all of you, we understand that cities are at the forefront of innovation, and there's so much good happening there that's impacting people's lives through better technology. And that's what we want to be a part of. So we have our new technology and civic engagement group that's here this week. Be in the lounge, so please come speak with us, learn more. We'd like to learn more about what you're doing as well. Thanks.
Hey, as always, thanks for watching, and if you'd like to be among the very first to know when I publish a new episode of Frank's World TV, be sure to click the subscribe button down here to your left. Also, if you want to do me a really big favor, be sure to click the like button for this video. And as always, you're welcome to make a comment too. Thanks.